Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the water cycle, the natural process that keeps water moving all around our planet. We'll first look at the key processes of the cycle, then discuss its importance, how human activities affect it, and finally the solutions we can take. So the water cycle works through several important steps. First, we have evaporation. This is when the sun heats water from oceans, lakes, and rivers, turning it into vapor that rises into the air. Second is transpiration, when plants release water vapor into the atmosphere. Third one is the sublimation, when ice or snow changes directly into vapor without becoming liquid first. Fourth one is the condensation, when water vapor cools down and forms clouds. And then the next one is precipitation, when water falls back to earth as rain, snow, or hail. And then the sixth one is infiltration. Infiltration, when water seeps into the ground and becomes groundwater. Then lastly, runoff, when water flows over land into rivers, lakes, and oceans. So together, these steps keep water moving in a continuous cycle. And this cycle is very important because it supports all life, regulates climates and weathers, helps move nutrients that plants and animals need, and shapes the Earth's surface through erosion and weathering. But human activities are disrupting the natural balance of this cycle. For example, cutting down trees or deforestation reduces transpiration and changes rainfall. Next is urbanization, or building too many roads and buildings increases runoff and reduces groundwater recharge, leading to floods. Third is pollution, from industries and farms contaminates water sources. And then lastly is climate change, alters rainfall patterns, causing droughts in some places and floods in others. The good news is we can still do something about it. We can plant trees and protect forests to keep the water balanced. We can also build green spaces and permeable roads in cities so water can soak into the ground. We can also reduce pollution by managing waste properly and using eco-friendly products. And also, we can take action against climate change by saving energy and using renewable sources like solar and wind. So, in short, the water cycle is a continuous process that sustains life on Earth. Human actions have disturbed it, but we can also be the solution. By caring for forests, managing our cities better, keeping our water clean, and addressing climate change, we can protect this vital cycle for generations to come. And that's the end of my presentation. Let's all do our part to protect our environment because water is life. Thanks for listening, and I hope you learned something new today.